What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2019 Silverado, and today I will be showing you guys how to install a car seat in the rear portion of your truck, your crew cab portion of the truck. This is my Chico Fit 2 infant and toddler car seat. I have the car seat installed on the base already. It can come loose with this back tab, orange tab here. All you have to do is take this off and it lifts right up and out of the way. What you want to do first is install your base. And again, brief tip for new dads: get multiple bases so that all you have to do is change out the car seat into you and or your wife or partner or your spouse, whoever you want to call it, significant other, their car. This will make disassembly of the base non-existent. You can leave it in your vehicle, it'll stay there. You'll have your significant other put their base in their vehicle, and all you have to do is switch from the car seat to car seat and car to car. You don't have to disassemble the base, which will sometimes, for guests, sometimes get annoying. And to defeat this is all you do is purchase another base, and this will defeat the disassembly of a base. So first thing you want to do is install the base. Make sure you read your owner's manual. Make sure you read the base and the car seat as well. Most of them do have directions on them. Mine are right here. I've already read the directions. All right, I've already learned what features are on this base. I've already learned what all the symbols mean, what all the letters mean, what all the numbers mean, what all the excess things mean, what all the belts mean, where are they located, where do they go. All right, real quick before I forget, let me show you guys in most trucks where your safety latches are going to be, where you're going to attach your car seat base. In this situation, this is a 2019 Silverado. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but there is a latch right there. It's metal right there. There's another one on this side right here. On your base, you're going to attach this lock here and this lock here. You want to do the far side first and then come back to your other side. So that's what we're going to do first. Got my other goodies right here ready to go. Got my mirror, got my baby on board symbol, got a fan, a nice fan right here. My wife hooked me up with that one. So again, install the base. We're gonna go this side first. All right, this is gonna latch right onto that clip that I showed you guys. So again, we're doing the right side or the inner side of the car seat base first. Make sure your strap is straight. That's gonna clip on right back here. You guys heard that click. Now we're gonna rotate the base, come around to the other side and do the same thing with this clip here. All you're gonna do is push it on and wait for the click. There's a click. So now our base is installed. Now, one thing you do before you put your car seat back in the base, take your seat belt. You wanna go up underneath first, but beforehand, read your labels again. This is where the shoulder belt, which is just called your shoulder belt. This is the lock off. You're gonna slide this belt in between there when you're done clicking it. So you're gonna grab your shoulder belt here. You're gonna go down and up. Give yourself some slack. Go down again, and you're clipping into your regular lock for your seat belt. Gonna go down, give yourself some more slack so you can reach it. And you will clip in. And that is what your base will look like when it's completely, fully locked in and installed. So we did our first two locks and then our shoulder belt first. Now we want to come over here and do is lock off our belt straps. So you want to pull that down just like this. And those belt straps are going to go right in that slit. just like that. So now those belts are locked in place. Give it a tug, pull those straps. Now we're locked in and tight, and now we are ready for our car seat. For my car seat, it just drops down in. I put the bottom down first and then the back side, and it clips on in right like that. And that is how you install a car seat into a 2019 pickup truck.